Hello, everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yesterday, President Joe Biden signed a bill from Congress extending the moratorium on the 2% Medicare sequestration cuts until the end of the year. In my short time in this role, I've come to appreciate how complex the advocacy world is and how difficult it is to get a win in DC. I can share with you, this would not have happened without wonderful collaboration from APTA, PPS, other therapy groups in DC who have advocacy teams, as well as working outside our profession with other groups that have a shared interest. But most of all, it wouldn't have happened without you, without your letters, without your emails to Congress people, letting them know how important this was to you. So please take a moment to celebrate this small victory. And I'd also ask you to look around to other members who maybe don't appreciate what advocacy is or what it does and how difficult it is, and put your arm around them and ask them to join you in the next fight. I also ask you to look at people from outside, non-members, and again, share with them how this happened and how they could be a part of it next time. Membership matters, your action matters, and we're going to continue to have more and more difficult fights, and we're going to need all of us working better together. Thanks for all you do. Take care.